Hey, how are ya? I hope you're having a good day because in Melbourne it is about 42 degrees. So I'm pretty happy to be inside. That's the beauty of being a YouTuber. You can stay inside all day. And if it's crappy weather outside, you can just film a video like this, like a Q&A. So if this is the first time you've seen my face, my name is Liam. I'm a photographer based in Melbourne, Australia. And I pretty much create YouTube videos teaching you and showing you how to do the basics of photography and then the behind the scenes of all my photo shoots. If you want to see all my photos, go and follow me on Instagram at 7thyear because that's where I post all my content. Anyway, enough talk. Oh, I just hit my light. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get into the video. Question number 1 is from PTL_Peter. What is the next pic you want to take? I don't know, it'll probably end up being a street photo because I haven't shot in a while, so I think I might just go out with Mike and do some street photography, but yeah, I don't really know, man. Next question here is from Alejandrov10. What do you expect to get the most out of 2019? Love the eggplant emoji. Alright, first of all, thank you for the eggplant emoji, and thank you for the support, I appreciate it. What do I expect to get most out of 2018? Pretty much just, I want to get better at YouTube videos, that's pretty much it. Next question here is from Lyco Matra. What are your photography/videography New Year's resolutions? Man, to be honest, I don't really have New Year's resolutions. I don't really think that that's a good idea to have because I feel like if you want to do something, you shouldn't have to wait till the new year to do it. You should just do it. Like if you want to do something tomorrow, just wake up and do it tomorrow. You don't have to wait because 90% of the time New Year's resolutions don't end up going ahead because people just say that, oh, because it's a new year, I'm going to do something new. No, it doesn't really happen like that. Well, I'm going to stop pronouncing these names because I'm just going to mess them all up. So, next question here. Is it fine to jeopardize on the quality of the images in order to stay consistently active on IG? Alright, so this is very interesting. And when I used to watch Gary Vee, I remember he said this one quote, which sort of helped me change my perspective on Instagram.
Speed of content versus
quality. Speed.
Why?
Because quality is subjective.
Damn, interesting. Yeah.
Quality is subjective, so you should always be consistent and you should post every day because you might think a photo is average, but someone else on Instagram might think it's a really good photo. Next question here. How was the first photo of the first camera taken? I reckon they used mirrors. I reckon they had the camera here, like pointing at this. So that's where the camera is. There was a mirror here, there was another mirror there, and eventually there was enough mirrors so that it reflected back onto the camera. That's how I reckon they did it. You're banned from photography. What's your next career? Yeah, how's someone gonna ban me from photography? Anyway, my next career would be YouTube. Are you single? Yep, I wanna know how you get that blue shades in your photos with a tutorial. Well, you're in luck. I'm actually just about to release the preset pack. They're coming. I know I've said that for a while, but they are coming. And there's a lot of blue sort of toned presets in there, so yeah. If you could create one lens, focal length and aperture. Man, I hate these questions. They're so hard. Like, they're really good questions, but I never know how to answer them. I would say 54mm and f/0. Done. How was meeting Badmon? So, for anyone who doesn't know who that is, that's Joey Badass, and he's a really good rapper. He's been my favorite rapper pretty much ever since I started photography. It was really good to meet him and show him around Melbourne. He's a really nice guy, really humble, and he was really appreciative that we came out and took photos of him around Melbourne. But yeah, that was a really good experience. Can you release your presets? They're coming. Would you rather have only one Sony body with one lens or any kind of Nikon for a lifetime? You already know the answer to this. Do you shoot in S-Log? If so, why do you recommend it? Thanks. Thank you. And no, I don't shoot in S-Log, but Hayden does. I really don't know why. I don't even know what S-Log is, to be honest. What is B-roll? Okay, so B-roll is overlaying footage to convey the passing of time in a film. So, say in a vlog, if you're going from your house to a photography location, you would show things like the car ride, maybe some drone shots of some streets, and that will just convey that time has passed since you've left your house and since you've arrived at the location. If you had to choose between Nikon and Canon, what brand and camera would you use? Man, honestly, I think I'd have to choose, obviously, Canon, but I don't even know. Whatever, I think it's like a 1DX or something like that. Whatever the top one is, I'd get that one. All right, last question here. Do you like pineapple with pizza? Man, honestly, it depends how hungry I am. I don't really, I'll eat it. I don't care, but I prefer it without, but if I'm hungry, I'll eat it. I love food. Also, before this video ends, I've got 28 eggplant stickers. My mate literally printed them all for me this morning. He's at Custom Promotions on Instagram if you want to go check him out. He can literally print anything. It's so cool. But yeah, I've got 28 eggplants. I don't know where to put them. Comment down below below where you think I should put these. But yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. And as always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.